We're getting a little more practice today with our histograms and dot plots. So go ahead and give this one a try. How many customers are under 20? "28 is correct. If you look on the graph, there's our 20. 20's in the third bar from the left, but is 20 under 20? No. 20 is 20. Under 20 means we're going to be talking about these two bars here. You can see that one is 20. That one right there is 8. Add them up, 28. All right, some questions that you get with the histograms or even the dot plots, not really that easy. It's a matter of finding where it is, adding them up, or counting them up. Where it gets a little trickier are the ones where it's asking you like for the median. All right, so some of y'all were having a harder time with that. So what we want to do, first thing we got to get the total. So I've got 8 there, 20, 16, 12, 4, and 2. So that gives us a total of 62. I did that quick in my head, so hopefully that's right. So now what we need is we need half of that. Median should be the middle. The middle between those two is 31. Our median would have 31 on either side. So look, there is 8 here, 20 here, so that's a total of 28. That means I need just 3 more. But right there, that's automatically, that's putting our median in the 20 to 24 range. You could also count it down from the other way. If we went the other way, we'd have 2. That makes 6, 18. And then we get our other 13 right there. So that's all we're doing is we're looking for which bar is in the middle or has the middle in it. Okay? Any questions on that? So that's histograms. Dot plots or line plots. Line plot shows each, whoa, that's a typo, wrong roll. Each roll of the dice by Larry. How many times did Larry roll the dice? So go ahead and get an answer for this one. That should be that kind of roll. $14 is correct. All this is keeping track of what he rolled. So, he rolled 5 4 times. All you do is you count up the dots to find out how many times he rolled total. As I said before with the histogram, some of the problems are like, all that is counting. Usually the ones that say how many times is either going to be counting it up or adding up something, okay? It might be the whole thing. It might be just a piece of the data. But it's just going to be getting the number by counting. All right, give this one a try then. We need the median. We just said there's 14 rolls of the dice, right? So that means there's 14 dots up there. This is the same line plot, dot plot, whichever. Four and a half is the correct answer. All right, so there is 14, right? So if there's 14, how many are in each half? 7. So just to show, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's got to be between the 7s, all right? It's not the 7th dot itself. It's between them. So between where the colors change is between numbers in this case. So some of you can recognize, between 4 and 5 is 4.5. That works. Otherwise, if you're not sure ever, especially with bigger numbers, add them, divide by 2. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, 4.5. Any questions? This is something we definitely needed a little bit of practice with, though, I think.